Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to set up roles and permissions on Fluxer. So guys, in order for you to set up roles, it is very easy. First things first is of course go ahead and go to your channel and go to the person that you want to assign the role to. So for example, I have a sample over here. I could just simply go ahead and click on them. And as you can see, you will have your roles. So go ahead and click on add a role over here and you will have this option. You can just simply go for the community settings, roles, and permissions. Now, over here, guys, you can just simply go ahead and select create a role over here. And now, once you have created a role, you can provide the role name. I'm going to go for admin. And you will have a bunch of options like a role color, and you will have multiple filters over here. And now the very important thing is you can just simply go on which type of access that you will give to this role. I'm going to go for administrator, and you can check the other boxes as well. So pretty much this will be depending on you on how do you want to perform of the role. Now, as you can see, we will have multiple categories like channel access, messages, and media. So take some time to tick some of them and turn off some of them based on your own personal preferences and select save changes on the top right corner. Now, once you have done that, you can just simply go back to the person that you want to promote and select add a role. And from here, you can just simply put them on the admin that we just created. And pretty much they will have a role. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.